Good morning, students. Myself Amit Maheshwari, and today I am going to start your new chapter, that is chapter number 12. And what is the name of that chapter? Heron's formula. So before start this chapter, first we know about Heron formula and at what condition we have to apply this formula. First we have to know this basic thing. Okay, as you know, and you have to study in your early small classes also, that in class 8. What is the area of a triangle? All of you know, most of them, that half into base into height. Okay, first I am making a one figure here. Suppose you have one triangle like that one. It is A, it is B, and it is C. And at the same time, you have a one height. This is known as H. This is known as H. So what is the area of a triangle ABC? So you know that area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. All of you know this thing, na? But sometime condition is become like that one. You are not able to find the area because of the absence of this height. Suppose you have one more triangle. It is known as ABC. And it is given like 5 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 6 centimeter, like that one you have given, and they have to ask that you have to find the area of this triangle ABC. In this condition, how can you find the area? Because area of a triangle, you know that half into base into height. Okay, you have base BC is equal to 6 centimeter. We did not have the height now. First you have to find the height, then you have to find the formula, then you find the area ना. How can you find? जब तक बेटा आपको इसकी हाइट पता ही नहीं होगी तो आप इसका एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? ये प्रॉब्लम है. तो जब ये प्रॉब्लम अराइज होती है कि ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालना है और वहाँ पर हाइट गिवन नहीं है, उस कंडीशन में हम अप्लाई करते हैं हीरोन्स फार्मूला. क्या अप्लाई करते हैं बेटा? हीरोन्स फार्मूला. तो चलिए इसको समझते हैं. हीरोन्स फार्मूला को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे और कैसे समझेंगे इसको आप. देखिए, मान लीजिए आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है. अब मैं इसका थोड़ा आपको फॉर्मूला समझा देता हूँ पहले, कैसे इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ये तो आपको पहले से ही पता है. मान लीजिए आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है. इट इज नोन एज ए बी सी, और you can write like that one P, because we already taken ABC. You can write P, Q and R. Now you have a triangle PQR. Suppose the length of this side is A, it is B and it is C. ABC means length, like that one 5, 6. They are the different value. Now first you have to find the S. What is the value of S here? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is the meaning of S? A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C means sum of all sides. So you can say that S is equal to perimeter by 2. What we say? Perimeter by 2. Or we can say that S is a semi-perimeter. Semi means half. You know the semicircle? Semi-perimeter. So they are the three meaning of the same symbol as. Mathematical is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Or you have to write, if the parameter is given, then directly parameter by 2. And S represent the semi-perimeter, means half of the parameter. Okay. Then what is the area? There is a new formula. You can write by Heron's formula. You can write area of triangle PQR under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is known as Heron formula, and with the help of this formula you are easily able to find the area of that triangle in which height is not given. Clear or not? Okay. After completing this one, this is the area of a triangle by Heron formula, and it is a general formula. Now writing some important formula here which can be used in this chapter. So first you write area of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, or simply you have to say that triangle only. It is equal to half into base into height. Normal area is also this, and equilateral right of triangle is also this. Now area of equilateral triangle. What is area of equilateral triangle? All of you know na equilateral triangle. The triangle in which all sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. So what is the area? Under root 3 by 4 into side square. It is the area for equilateral triangle. Okay. Sometime it is given that you have to find the area of a quadrilateral. Suppose one quadrilateral I am giving here A, B, C, D, and they ask that, and then one diagonal is also given here. And if they are asked that you have to find the area of a quadrilateral ABC, then what you do? Area of quadrilateral ABCD. What is the area? First find the area of this triangle separately and this triangle separately, and then add, you will get your answer. Then you can write area of triangle ABC. It is a short form to write the area AR plus area of triangle ADC. Simply you can find the area with the help of equilateral triangle or right angle triangle or normal formula, and then simply you have to add, you will get your answer.